What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Sunday Fun Day video. Today we are taking our fashion, which is a headband, and we are going to update it to something more fancy. So what you want to do is boil some hot water. Take your favorite headband. This is a white Nike headband. I hate the color white, and I didn't want to purchase another color, so I decided to tie-dye or color my headband with a door or a Doré hair color. So what you want to do is obviously take a Ziploc bag, put your favorite hair color inside, take the headband, put it inside of the Ziploc bag with the color, put the Ziploc bag inside of the cup. And the cup is to prevent the plastic from melting. Some of you guys may use cheap Ziploc bags, and you know hot water melts plastic. So after you do that, obviously be careful. It's very hot. You want to insert your headband inside of the Ziploc bag that contains your favorite hair color. And then you want to take that boiling hot water and just pour it all over. I hope you guys like this video. Please give the Hangout a huge subscription, and I'll see you every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.